from festival feasts during holidays like Thanksgiving, Christmas, traditional. Everybody enjoy food. Lot of people, childrens, lot of table movement allows us to enjoy fresh locally ingredients while supporting agriculture and small scale farmers dining the table restaurant. They create a lot of tasty food in home. They're expecting food. Food can be a farm entertainment with events like food competition, cooking shows, and culture challenge audience around the world. The cheering entertainment offers fun and engagement way to celebrate our love food. Food has long been a source of impression of right. Everyone enjoy cooking. Mother, father, grandma, everybody enjoy fooding. The food is the great culture. The food is very historical, the healthy. Many cultures have food tradition that deeply rooted in history, religion, community. Breaking a bread, religion, sharing a meal make special like wedding, birthdays, preparation the traditional of dishes. The food is the greatness of all. Food can be play role in promoting physical health, mental health, being emotional balance. The enjoying a nutritious meals made with all our ingredients. Create celebrate life, joy, multiple. Enjoying food, multi-factor experience, joy, connection, creativity, and culture richness. The flavor of food, delighted. The like a wow. The welcome to the food culture. Everybody enjoy support the food because of food is most important for health. Health every food is good food, good make food, good ingredients. Everybody enjoy. Food greatness, a wide array of culture delights that evoke joy, satisfaction, and a sense of culture riches. From comforting classics to innovative creations, food greatness celebrates the diversity of flavors, texture, and aromas that utilize the taste and the soul. Whether it is a hearty bowl of lot of ingredients, where the pasta, example, egg, pizza, biryani, chicken, vegetables, every taste make good. Everybody will enjoy the homemade cheese, a vibrant food greatness, homemade. No, no bounds. It is about this simple pleasure of perfectly tasty food, freshly baked bread or coffee or good taste. Food greatness is not just about the dish itself but also the experience it creates, the lot of share around the table, the memories made, dish in the kitchen and connection ever a shared love of food. It is a celebration of tradition and the universal world of food. The people together enjoying food, everyone remembering the